Hi everyone, welcome to my channel organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Christina from the DIYmommy.com.
Thank you so much, Christina, for hosting this collab. I am so appreciative. I'm always happy to participate in your collabs. This is actually my third time that I've participated in one of your DIYs. These are two wreaths that actually I purchased for $3.99 at Goodwill, and I've kind of rebuilt both wreaths, and I have these two for upstairs, the upstairs balcony, and then I'll show you downstairs the front porch that I actually redecorated earlier as well. So let's get started. First, these are the wreaths for upstairs for $3.99 from Goodwill, and then of course we'll go downstairs and look at the front porch. These are the two wreaths for the downstairs front door, and you've seen these just recently in a DIY that I did on another challenge, but I wanted to show you what I've added on so far. So what I added in so far are on this jade plant here. I purchased some small pumpkins and some spiders as well, and I've added those in as part of the decor. So if you look on this jade tree all around, there are pumpkins and there are spiders. So this is a new addition on this front porch here. I also added a new sign that said welcome, of course, and then we have those other new plants that I had put in a week or so ago. And of course, there's some new pumpkins that I got at the dollar store. So this is what my front porch looks like with all the new additions. Don't forget to go over to Christina's channel, see the playlist that she has, subscribe to the channels that you like, and of course subscribe to Christina's channel. Would love for you also to subscribe to my channel, that is if you have not already done so.
Thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye and good luck.